What if I told you this adorable, chubby orange cat isn't real, but it's chopping potatoes, riding a bicycle, and even buying groceries like a tiny human? AI-generated cat videos are taking over TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. Today, I'll show you exactly how to create one yourself. To create these AI-generated images, we first need to write the perfect prompt, and we'll do that using ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT and type this. Generate a highly detailed AI prompt for an image of a chubby orange cat chopping potatoes in a miniature kitchen, looking focused and adorable. ChatGPT will generate a detailed prompt like this. After creating our AI prompt, we'll now turn it into an actual image using PicLumen AI. 1. Go to Chrome and search for PicLumen AI. 2. Create an account or sign in if you already have one. 3. Find the prompt input box and paste the AI-generated prompt from ChatGPT. 4. Set the aspect ratio to landscape, YouTube format for the best results. 5. Click Generate and wait a few seconds. And just like that, our AI-generated chubby orange cat image is ready. You can use this same process to generate as many images as you want. Now that we have our AI-generated images, let's bring them to life. Go to Chrome and search for Hello AI. Create an account or sign in if you already have one. Click on AI Video. Upload your AI image and add a prompt describing the action. E.g., the chubby orange cat chops potatoes with a tiny knife, looking focused. Click Generate and wait for the video to process. Use your 100 free daily credits, or sign out and use another email if needed. Now, our image is no longer statistics a fully animated AI video. Now that we have our AI cat video, let's make it even better. Use CapCut to refine the animation. Add realistic sound effects like chopping, sizzling, or market sounds. Enhance with small animations for realism. Your AI cat video is now ready. The next step? Sharing it everywhere. Upload to TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and Facebook. Use trending hashtags like #AICat, #CuteCatCookingNumber Miniature Kitchen. And that's it! You now know how to create and animate AI-generated cat videos that are trending worldwide. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know what AI video you want to see next.